Hi everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. Today in this video I'm going to guide you through how you can change the language on Great Sneeze. So let's get started. First of all, open Great Sneeze on your device. Next, tap on Settings and then select the language option. Here you can find it English. Now tap on the options. For now only Dutch and English is available. And that's it. This is how you can change the language on Great Sneeze. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you'll never miss another gaming update.